Action cameras are the ultimate travel companions, capturing incredible moments with stunning clarity. But which reigns supreme? The DJI Osmo Action 4 or the GoPro Hero 12 Black? This epic showdown pits two titans of the action camera world against each other. We'll delve deep into their impressive features, compare their video and photo capabilities, and analyze their durability and ease of use. From underwater adventures to high-speed pursuits, we'll uncover which camera truly captures the essence of your action-packed life. So, grab your gear and get ready to dive into the world of high-performance action cameras. Design and build quality. The DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is designed with adventure in mind, offering a rugged, compact build that feels sturdy and durable. It's waterproof up to 18 meters without additional housing, making it ideal for underwater shoots and extreme conditions. The design is minimalist with a front-facing and rear touchscreen, making it easy to vlog or frame shots. The Action 4 is slightly larger than some of its competitors, but this gives it a solid feel in hand. Its quick-release mounting system adds convenience, allowing for easy swapping of mounts and accessories during activities like biking, diving, or hiking. The GoPro Hero 12 Black continues GoPro's legacy of building tough and durable action cameras. It's waterproof up to 10 meters without additional housing, making it perfect for water sports, snorkeling, and light diving. The Hero 12 retains the familiar compact, boxy design of previous GoPro models, with a front-facing screen for vloggers and a rear touchscreen for control. It also supports the vast ecosystem of GoPro mounts and accessories, providing versatility for action sports enthusiasts. The build is slightly more compact than the Osmo Action 4, but both cameras feel premium and capable of withstanding rough use. Display and controls. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 has dual screens, including a 2.25-inch rear touchscreen and a 1.4-inch front screen, making it great for both shooting and reviewing footage on the go. The touchscreen interface is responsive and intuitive, making it easy to change settings or preview shots quickly. The front screen is particularly useful for vloggers who want to ensure they are in frame. The menu navigation is clean, and DJI has made significant improvements in making their user interface more user-friendly compared to previous models. GoPro Hero 12. The GoPro Hero 12 Black also features dual screens, with a 2.27-inch rear touchscreen and a front-facing 1.4-inch display for vloggers. GoPro's touchscreen is highly responsive, and the updated interface is user-friendly, offering easy navigation through settings and shooting modes. The Hero 12 Black's touchscreen feels slightly more refined than the Osmo Action 4, with smoother swipes and faster response times. GoPro also integrates voice control, allowing users to perform hands-free operations, which is ideal in action-packed or hands-busy scenarios. Image and video quality. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is equipped with a 1/1.3-inch sensor, which allows for better low-light performance compared to earlier models. It supports 4K video recording at 120 frames per second and has a wide 155 degrees field of view. The color reproduction is vibrant, and the image quality is sharp, even in challenging lighting conditions. For vloggers and action enthusiasts, the camera performs well across various environments, from bright outdoor scenes to darker indoor settings. The camera's rocksteady 3.0 image stabilization works impressively, delivering smooth footage even in high-motion scenarios like running, biking, or skiing. GoPro Hero 12. The GoPro Hero 12 Black comes with a 1/1.9-inch sensor and supports 5.3K video recording at up to 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, providing stunning video quality with excellent detail and color accuracy. GoPro has long been known for its superior video capabilities, and the Hero 12 Black continues this trend with hyper-smooth 6.0 image stabilization, which is regarded as one of the best in the market for action cameras. The larger sensor also helps with dynamic range and low-light performance, making it a versatile option for various lighting conditions. The Hero 12's overall video quality edges out the Osmo Action 4 due to its higher resolution and better stabilization. Battery life and performance. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 offers an improved battery life over its predecessor, featuring a 1,770 mAh battery that can last up to 160 minutes on a full charge. It also supports fast charging, giving you about 80% of battery life in just 18 minutes of charging. This is a significant advantage for users who are often on the move and need quick top-ups between shoots. The Action 4 performs reliably in extreme temperatures, and DJI's battery optimization ensures that the camera remains functional in colder conditions. GoPro Hero 12. The GoPro Hero 12 Black comes with an Enduro battery that improves cold weather performance and extends battery life compared to older GoPro models. You can expect around 90 to 120 minutes of continuous shooting at 5.3K resolution, and lower resolutions will extend this further. While GoPro's battery life has traditionally been a weak point, the Hero 12 Black makes considerable improvements, though it still falls slightly short of the Osmo Action 4's longevity. However, GoPro's fast charging feature helps offset this by quickly getting you back into action. Features and ecosystem. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 comes with Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization, horizon balancing, and horizon steady, making it a strong competitor for capturing smooth, steady shots, even in extreme conditions. DJI's snapshot feature allows you to power on and start recording instantly, which is useful for capturing spontaneous moments. It also supports DJI's vast range of accessories, including the new magnetic protective case, which enhances durability. While the Osmo Action 4 lacks some of GoPro's more advanced features, it still provides plenty of tools for action camera enthusiasts. GoPro Hero 12. The GoPro Hero 12 Black continues to build on GoPro's extensive ecosystem with accessories and software integrations. The Hero 12 Black introduces HDR video recording, offering enhanced dynamic range for both 5.3K and 4K footage. GoPro's Quick App is also a standout feature, allowing for seamless editing and sharing on the go. Additionally, the Hero 12 Black supports Time Warp 4.0, advanced slow-motion modes, and the ability to shoot vertical videos for social media. GoPro's range of mounts and accessories, combined with software support, make it the more versatile option for users who want advanced editing and social sharing capabilities. Conclusion. Both the DJI Osmo Action 4 and the GoPro Hero 12 Black are top-tier action cameras, but they cater to slightly different needs. So there you have it, the DJI Osmo Action 4 and the GoPro Hero 12 Black, both exceptional action cameras with unique strengths. The Osmo Action 4 boasts impressive stabilization and a user-friendly interface, while the Hero 12 Black excels in video quality and versatility. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and priorities. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or an adventurous enthusiast, both cameras offer the power to capture stunning footage of your incredible journeys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech content. See you in the next one.